The life sentence handed to renowned Kashmir resistance leader Asia Andrabi, along with 30 years of imprisonment for her associates Faimda Sofi and Nahida Nasreen, is not just a judicial ruling, but a cruel act of sheer political vengeance. These women, who have spent nearly 8 years in detention, have been punished not for violence but for courage, for speaking truth to power, resisting injustice, and giving voice to the anguish of their people. This verdict sends a chilling message. Peaceful dissent can be criminalized. Activism can be equated with terror, and the very act of demanding justice, it can invite punishment. When mothers, daughters, and sisters, they are locked away for asserting their rights, the law becomes an instrument of oppression rather than protection. The human cost is unbearable. Families, they are shattered. Children are denied the presence of their mothers, and parents are left in silent despair. Each day in prison for these women is a day stolen from hope and a day stolen from life itself. This is more than a legal decision. It is a moral outrage. It exposes a system that punishes truth tellers and seeks to crush the spirit of resistance. The global community must recognize this injustice, raise its voices in solidarity, and insist the basic human right to dissent is respected. In the face of repression, courage must be honored and justice must be demanded relentlessly, unwaveringly, and without any compromise.